Welcome back to Farming with Family. Today I'm going to do a little how-to video on how to make bait stations for controlling mice populations. I got this idea from one of my neighbors. All you do, get a big stick of 2-inch PVC pipe, get a cap that's just smooth, cement that on one side, get another cap for the other side that has threads, cement that on good. Then you get a threaded cap to go on the end here. Then when I'm done with that, then I take a drill bit, drill a hole through both sides. This is a 1/2 inch hole. I got to do a little bit bigger. I'm going to do a 3/4 inch hole because the mice seem to be just a little bit bigger than this. Then that hole is still small enough that kids can't get in it. And then I put bait in here, get some bait chunks in there. They eat that. They come in one side, go out the other, eat it, go away and die. Then I put the cap on and tighten it down with a pipe wrench. Then kids can't get it off if they would ever get into it. So it's safe from them. Animals can't get into it that you don't want to. I've cut these anywhere from a foot to 10 inches. It's plenty long. You can get plenty of bait in there. And then I set these around the perimeters of buildings. Since the hole's in the middle, if it rains or it gets water, this will, if it gets enough water, it'll float so it doesn't get water in there and wreck your bait. For bait, I got some of this Jaguar bait chunks. The mice seem to love it. Make sure when you're putting it in the tube that you're wearing gloves of some sort. Wash your hands afterwards, and then you just check them. If they start to get empty, you dump out whatever is remaining, put new chunks in. Then you don't have to pay a rodent control company since they put a lot of stations out anyways. You're basically replacing that, saving yourself a bunch of money. They're not too expensive to make. The most expensive part is these caps. But like I say, they last a long time. Once you make them, you'll have them for a long time. And that is how you make homemade bait stations. Thanks for checking out my video. Hopefully it helped. If you like it, give me a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.